Nowadays, the internet is full of the most incredible photos, allegedly taken on the surface of the moon. People write about spaceships, entire cities of aliens, and even secret Nazi bases. But in this selection, we want to focus on the strangest photos that have been obtained and available for study from official sources. These pictures were posted on the official history website. In one of the pictures taken by the astronauts of the Apollo 17 expedition in December 1972, a strange flying object was seen. In 2008, American researcher Joseph Skipper was attracted by two photos. The astronaut photographed the landscape and got a picture, which was assigned the code 214-94HA, and then he took another picture under the code 214-95HA. The thing is, in the second picture there was a dark rectangular object with a disc-shaped part at the bottom. And this something was not hovering over the slope, but came at the moment when the astronaut, who took the picture, pressed the shutter. According to the researcher, this object was obscured in the same pictures posted on other websites. Studying the lunar surface on the modern interactive Google Moon map, which was specially created based on many photos of the moon taken by NASA, one of the enthusiasts saw on it a triangular anomaly with several luminous objects located on its edges. A suspicious object that looks like a fragment of a spaceship or an alien base has interested many researchers. The geometry of the object is too regular, and it clearly does not resemble the topography of a typical lunar landscape. In addition, the object is so large that it far exceeds the size of any spacecraft built on Earth. Experts, however, find it difficult to say exactly what the detected object is. However, they do not rule out that the strange image could be the result of the play of light and shadow during the shooting, which creates the illusion of an object on the lunar surface. The 1967 photograph first appeared in the public domain in the 1975 book, The Geology of the Moon. On it, virtual archaeologists found an unusual object. A closer look at a small crater near the East Sea does indeed reveal a grinning head, comparable to the skull of an Egyptian mummy. Strangely enough, from the photo, which is now stored in the NASA archive, the mummy has almost completely disappeared. Either some other pictures were printed in the book, or the original ones were later corrected. But in that case, why did they do it? No one else photographed the lunar sphinx. Although it would be possible to get high-resolution pictures to leave no reason to doubt whether this statue mummy is huge from the moon or the play of light and shadow. Now the LRO probe flies there and takes pictures of Apollo landing sites, which show even crumbs of descent vehicles, and it is not difficult to photograph that area in high detail. Studying in detail the pictures of the moon previously posted on Google Moon, one of the enthusiasts suddenly discovered a very strange image resembling a living human figure. Opinions in the internet public regarding the content of this photograph were quickly divided. Some desperately argued that it was a statue of a real alien and, according to some researchers, bearing a strange resemblance to the ancient statue of Colossus of Rhodes, which was destroyed by a powerful earthquake more than 2,000 years ago. Others argue that it is only a shadow of some large stone. NASA experts claim that the figure arose from dust or a simple scratch on the negative, which was photographed of the strange figure. These lunar images were taken by the NASA probe and were posted on the website of the Lunar and Planetary Institute. One of them, taken from a height of 58 kilometers, shows mysterious objects, a bright dot in the sky on one side and a winding strip on the other. It is worth saying right away that the little dots, which are in the right order on the image, are not stars, but crosses, a kind of frame marking, which was applied on top of the image. This begs the question, what is this winding stripe, and also with some kind of cylinder, noticeable closer to the end of the strip? And at the beginning of the strip a thickening is noticeable, as if the strip near the surface of the moon is retracted into some structure. According to enthusiasts, the image shows a trace from an alien probe launched from the moon. But why in this case the umbrella flew so crooked? In any case, it is difficult to explain this phenomenon, and it is not found in any other photograph of the moon. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and write what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support is very important to me.